So we're in the New Forest, Roundhill, this weekend, and as you can see, Herman is just there. We're in this rally field, but we've got the whole thing to ourselves. It is completely empty, other than Herman. Billy no mates, somebody might say in the comments section. However, this weekend is HermanFest weekend, and this whole field will be chock-a-block with she's laughing.
Well, we hope somebody comes.
Chock-a-block with subscribers and other YouTubers.
Have we got the right weekend?
I think we might have, because our WhatsApp group is bubbling. You know, getting very excited to come in and join us at this fabulous weekend. And it is a scorchio weekend. It is very hot. It's only 9:30 in the morning, and it is very warm. And we're just about to go for a cycle ride.
Just to make us even hotter.
Yeah, because we want to, we want to put a sweat on. Now the rally field is actually signposted, but I thought, you know what? Let's help. Let's put some signs up. What do you think of our homemade sign? And we have another sign here. And then finally, or rather the first one that people will come across, is this one here. Now it's just a matter of waiting for them all to arrive. This is a problem when you check in. Of course, you got these, you got some guests here. Now, don't go near any of these wild animals, and especially don't touch them or feed them. But yeah, these ones just being friendly at the moment, getting out of the sun. Most people arrived on Friday, but some came as early as Thursday in motorhomes, camper vans, caravans, and even a tent. We've had a few people arrive, and it is really hot, as you could probably tell with my alteration to my hat here. I thought we'd go around and see if anyone's interested in having a shower to cool them down a bit, and there's a few dogs here as well, so maybe they're interested. Of course, I'm using the flex tail, which you may have seen me use before. Portable shower and everything. Would you like a shower? Yeah.
Cute.
Not with all this electronic equipment, maybe not. No. Well, you
I'd
wanna?
like one. That's all right. Rain dance.
A rain dance.
Oh, it's lovely.
I'll just soak my hat with it.
That's handsome.
Feeling better?
Yeah, it's great, that is.
Yeah.
Want some water?
Got some visitors in the rally field here at HermanFest. Got a foal here. That's its mother just there. The one over there as well. Always, I just noticed there's loads of them over there. Always looks like we've been invaded. It's Friday afternoon. Look, the rally field has filled up. There are a few spaces left, and we've got about 6 motorhomes or camper vans still to come. But yeah, we are getting quite full now. We're all starting to gather down here, where Steve from Wheels on Wheels has got his guitar out and his amp, and he's going to be playing some music for us. All wasn't nothing planned. Just said, yeah, I'll do that. And we've even got someone, first time we've ever had a tent.
This is the heavy breathing now. It's supposed to be the wolf. I'll get you going here. Listen. Okay, don't get too carried away.
Do you need the defibrillator?
Feeling a bit dizzy myself here.
Sounds like he does.
Turn in the ground, break on the crowd.
Good morning, folks. It's Saturday, 21st. Is that the longest day?
It is.
It's also the day after Zoe's birthday, and she's had quite a few cards from this crowd, and a little
Quite a
few
few
presents,
drinks.
a few drinks as well.
Yeah.
Talking of drinks. So last night we had a circle round here. Unfortunately, I didn't film any of it, but because I'm busy entertaining. And
But also you said you were drunk. That might be the reason.
well, yeah, that's it. You see, so Darren, thanks Darren. He brought in a drink called Fireball, and I sampled some of that. It's a cinnamon whiskey liqueur, and it is gorgeous. I think I didn't have too much of it. I didn't have lots of it,
Quite strong though.
but my goodness, it
Knocked you out?
well, I wouldn't say knocked me out exactly, but it went past the wine, the beer, the schnapps, the double vodkas, and the baby sham, and went straight to my head. Yeah, I was I wouldn't say I was all over the place, but I felt like I was all over the place, trying to give speeches and things. But yeah, anyway, and I'm sure you'll see that on other YouTubers'
Yeah.
videos. Yeah, but today,
The main day.
yes, this is the main day. We're going to start off with a bicycle ride, and it looks like there's quite a few people interested in doing that.
Yes. Got to gear ourselves up. Boom boom.
Yeah, just leave the jokes to me, my love. I can tell in my voice it's a bit scratchy. But yeah, and then we're going to have Herman Scruffs.
Yeah, it might be a
Got
bit
some
hot.
prizes as well. Little people keep giving us gifts to give away as prizes. And then in the evening we got our food, our sharing of our food, and our jokes, not jokes,
Quizzes.
and
Bingo.
bingo. But anyway, that's our update for
Yeah.
this morning.
It's quite busy, isn't it? We've just managed to fit everybody in. Nobody in the middle, which is nice.
I suppose you're interested in how many people are here. How many did I
I've no
count?
idea.
32, 33. I'm going to have to update you on that. But it's about 33. Good turnout for today's bike ride.
Hello.
We had a few four-legged passengers who came along for the bike ride. Alright, let's get going. The cycle ride was a huge success. At junctions we waited for everyone to catch up. The route, called Hawk Hill Ride, is available online. It's mainly flat on off-road gravel cycle tracks and is a circular route starting and ending at the campsite. It even goes round the historic Bewley airfield, which was used by fighter and bomber squadrons in World War II. The 10-mile route took us about 1.5 hours. Now it's lunchtime. Well, we've just had our lunch, just a sandwich. But wafting across the campsite is this amazing smell of garlic. It's Andy from Tanks on Tour who is doing a curry. How's it going, Andy?
Hello, that's all right. You're the staff, aren't you? We're supposed to be cooking. This is the Punjabi staff curry I said I was going to do.
Oh,
So it's all cooked today.
look at that. Do you mind if I take the lid off?
Yeah, crack on.
Look at that. That smells amazing. It's garlic you're cooking, right?
Garlic. I've got a massive whack of garlic.
It's wafting all over the campsite.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Not too many vegetarians, is there?
Nice hat. Might have to blur that out on the camera. It's now time for Herman Scruffs. And all the little doggies are walking around in a circle. This is the waggiest tail, by the way. I don't see very many tails wagging. We have our judges. I'm not a judge. That looks a very waggly tail there. So we have a winner, everybody. In fact, we have, oh, hello. The naughtiest dog's the next one.
It could have been worse.
True.
I won.
Could have been worse. The prize, well, the winners are are Tara and Max. Yes, you're Max. So, here's Max. And here's Tara. the next category is going to be probably the most difficult, and that's the cutest. So if you like to circle around and encourage the judges to choose your doggy with £5 notes. Hello. Hello. It's Charlie. Hello. We have a winner, everybody, and I can't remember your doggy's name, Di.
Oh, Paddy.
Paddy, that's it. Hello. Hello. Oops. Drop the mic. So the next one is, and you can't all just wander off when I announce it. The next one is the scruffiest dog. Oh, you look hot. She looks hot.
Come on, Scruff.
Hello. So the winner of the, well, not scruffiest, but scruffiest cute is Sprat. So now we have the toughest category, and that is, hold on, the best behaved. Hello, Charlie, how are you?
Sit.
Hello.
You're not going to sit, are you? Can you sit?
I'm not a judge.
I don't care. I'm still really happy with myself that he does that.
Wow.
Now.
So the judges would like all the dogs to be told to sit, please. We've got a lot of obedient dogs. Oh, hello. What's going on over here with the Earnshaws? Very good. So we have two winners. We have, unfortunately, I don't know your doggy's name.
Archie.
Archie. It's Archie. Hello. And Jasper.
Jasper.
There we are.
Jasper, say hello.
Bit too friendly. So the last category is the best in show. Prize though is a perfect bag, which is basically a bag for your poo bags, if you see what I mean. It has 3 compartments in it, and which are velcroed into the bag, and you can clean it, all that kind of thing. I think it was very good. So I think it's a great prize. And the idea is that whoever wins will receive this bag in the post. You'll choose what colour you want and blah blah blah, and he will send it on to you. It's very kind of him. That's Nick from Pool Bags. Right, best in show. Off you go. Yeah, a bit warm. And the winner is Freya. Hello. Oh. There's some jealousy going on now. Controversial jealousy. Well, it's now the evening of Saturday, and look at all this lovely food that everyone's brought in, made by themselves. Got a crew of people here. Do you think they might be in the way of the food? But everyone else is I'm being cheeky. Is all around the food, and I think there's some very hungry, drooling people. So I'm going to have to put this down and entertain them. This is that curry. Oh, look at that! Cheese salad, rolls, chicken. That's what we've done. Some more chicken. Quiche. Oh, look at these lovely cakes. I can sense that everyone is staring at me because they want some food. Look at the gannets.
We had a great spread of high quality food this year. I think my favourites have to be Andy's curry, which was very popular, the Victoria sponge by Michelle, and the orange shortbread biscuits by Jane. My thanks go out to everyone for making it such a great weekend. Roll on next year. And now some messages from some of the folk who came to HermanFest.
Trevor and Sue.
From Posh Cats Camping.
Posh Cats Camping. There's an echo in here.
Hi, we're Bob and Jenny, and really enjoying HermanFest. Thanks, Pops.
Yeah, with Poppy and Tara.
With Poppy and Tara. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Jill. I'm from Where's Wonder Wandering. I'm not a YouTuber, but I do Instagram, and I love watching all the YouTube videos because they produce some brilliant stuff and help me go where we go. And we love HermanFest, and I would recommend it to anybody. And this is Max the dog who comes with us.
Amanda, this is Martin.
And this is for Bob, because he's the king of YouTube,
No, it's
and we
for
love
ads.
him. Oh, it's for ads.
Yeah.
Sorry, ads is the prince of YouTube. I don't know. Thank you for having us. We've had a wonderful HermanFest, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Tony O'Brien. I live in Barton-on-Sea. This is our first time at Herman's Fest. Really enjoying it. And this is my wife Michelle. We're both retired, took early retirement, and just loving our motorhome life.
Hi, we're Lyndon and Tracy, and we're from Wales. This is our second HermanFest. We've had a really great time, and we hope to be back again next year.
Cheers, lads. we're Brett and Jane. We're about 5 miles away, and this is our first time, and we'll be back.
Hello, this is Julia and Nigel. We are the yokel couple, and we've enjoyed our weekend. Thank you.
Really good at HermanFest this year.
And he's 70.
And I'm
It's 70 tomorrow.
It's been a great weekend, hasn't it? Pity it wasn't longer. Longer. It should be the Sunday maybe, and then we all go home on a Monday. Just getting into it now. Gosh. Yeah.
This is Steve.
I'm Steve, by the way, if you don't know. I've got a YouTube channel called Wheels on Wheels. Like and subscribe. Come on back for the ride. You know, and we'll see if we can get it going again.
Yeah,
anyway, thank you.
I'm Miami.
We've never been to one of these before.
This is our first time.
We are Paul from Paul and Hiker on tour.
Hello, lads. It was really nice to be here.
I'm Ian
I'm Antonia.
from Ian and Antonia's Escapades. So why not join us as we tour Europe and the UK?
Hi, we're Mark and Hazel from Mark and Hazel's Motorhome Adventures, and we're here for HermanFest 25.
Sunday morning, folks, and it's now the end of HermanFest. People are actually heading home. There's one motorhome just there. So yeah, that's it. Another ending to what is basically a fantastic weekend, and it's not just me saying it. It's everyone else has said that they've had a fantastic weekend. It just goes on. You know, it's just too short. That's the only thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. And until next time. Bye-bye.